Hey guys, my name is Amit. Welcome back to ami.troid. So lately I've been thinking about that I review and tell you about so many custom ROMs, about their pros and cons after using them for a lot of time. But I never able to review gaming because there are a lot of ROMs which are not capable of running games like PUBG or whatever running latest in the market or Android platform. So today I'm starting a new series which is known as custom ROM gaming, which is totally focused on gaming performance on that specific ROM. And this video is episode 1 in which I'm using Havoc 2.7 based on Pi firmware on this Redmi Note 5 Pro. So for that, I'll show you guys an arcade game in PUBG. And if you guys want me to play any other game, just post a comment it for the video. Now I'm going to use GFX Tool Plus. As you can see that I'm using GFX Tool Plus from XDA, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna increase the FPS to 60 FPS so that I can test high FPS gaming on this ROM. So without further ado, let's start. Now I'm gonna just increase the brightness and start PUBG. So I already set FPS to 60 FPS, yani कि that says extreme FPS. Just take a minute and I'll show you. Now just go to tap on the settings and graphics. As you can see that my FPS is set to extreme so that I can test high FPS gaming on this specific ROM. Now let's start the game. Let me just choose arcade, quick match. Yeah, start. Let me just off auto matching or whatever. Just start the game. So if you want me to make another video for a specific for GFX tool settings or what are the good settings or so that you can run your PUBG smooth. So basically it's just FPS, just increase the FPS to 60 FPS and you will be fine. Oh, at least I'm near the safe zone. So as you can see that it has a very smooth gameplay. As it is running on 60 FPS. What else I can say? Now if the lag is due to your Wi-Fi or network connection, I can't do anything for that. It's not your ROM fault. So now you can see that I just move a little bit. It running smoothly on 60 FPS. And for heat, I can say that when you used XD tool, GFX Plus tool, it always say that if you increase the FPS, the device gonna heat. So I can't do anything for that. But it's not like it's hot, but it's just a little bit warm. I don't think I can win this game. It's just luck. And for graphics, if you increase graphics, I don't think you can able to play a smooth game. Increase FPS or whatever, you can't play it if you increase graphics higher than your device capability. Now you can see that I don't have any issue while playing this game. Well, I think Havoc OS is a little bit better ROM from any other ROM, but I'm gonna test it on other ported ROM like OnePlus or Realme or many other ported ROM for Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I don't think so that Havoc ROM is the only ROM which is capable to run PUBG like perfect. I played it on many other previous versions. Oh, I'm gonna lose right here. Yeah. Oh, come on, kill me. I'm not gonna wait. I think number 3 can revive me. Oh no. So as you can see that it's running smoothly with high extreme FPS settings or whatever you say that. And now if you want me to play it on ultra HD graphics or whatsoever, my recommendation that don't increase graphics because it will ruin your gaming. Just increase FPS and don't do anything else. Your your game performance will be fine. So if you like this video, just comment down below that you want any other ROM or otherwise I'll choose myself in the next episode. So see you guys in the next episode of this custom ROM gaming. If you like this video, just hit the like button and comment down and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video.